Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious and very different and unique vegetarian recipe. I'm going to make Makhana Matar Sabji. It's a lotus seed. This is very healthy and very nutritious. This is called Makhana Phool. We're going to dry roast them first. It has many health benefits, so please check it out. 1 cup matar is a sweet peas, half cup. These are raw cashews, about 10 of these. For tadka, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 red onion, 1 fresh tomato, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 garlic cloves. I'll put it into food processor. I'm going to make a smooth gravy of these. 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera, mustard seed and fenugreek seed, methi seed, half teaspoon each. All the spices are half teaspoon. Cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri mirt, salt, garam masala and turmeric powder. The first step will be the dry roasting of a Makhana Phool lotus seed. Then they will become more crunchy, and when we're going to eat them, we're going to enjoy it more. I'm going to cut the onions so it will fit into our chopper. Dice the onion, that will be fine. If you make a smooth gravy, then it will taste better. And the same thing with the tomatoes. We'll add everything into food processor, ginger and garlic. And we're going to grind it and we're going to make a smooth paste. Take that long. It's all done. This is how it looks, and let's start making our delicious, very unique Makhana Matar Sabji. Get a fry pan and start gas. Dry roast makhana and cashews. Once the fry pan heats up, this green indicator light will turn into red. Then we'll bring the temperature to medium and we're going to dry roast real fast within 1 or 2 minutes. At this moment, if we look at the makhana, if we press it, it's just pressed in. It doesn't break. But once it's going to get roasted, then they become brittle, they become more crunchier, then they break easy. As the pan start to heat up, it getting red, and we're going to bring the gas to medium. And now we're going to roast them. Just keep them moving. As you've seen, the cashews start to change the color. I'll turn off the gas. If I get it makhana, if you see, they start to break. They become really brittle. So we're going to take it out in a separate plate. And let's start making our tadka. Get a pot, start gas, I'll add olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed, jeera, methi seed, fenugreek seed and mustard seed. Mix it. We're going to cook them like 20 seconds. They start to sputter out. I'm going to add the gravy and we're going to keep mixing. We're going to cook it really well. Our tadka is nicely cooked. Now I'll add all the spices, mix it well, and we're going to cook our spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking our spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Now I will add water, 2 cups. You always can adjust curry according to your taste. Mix it well. This is the second cup. So altogether 2 cups. This is one of the reasons I wanted to have a tadka, put it into food processor. So when it becomes gravy, tastes really well. Cover with the lid and we're going to bring the water to boil. The water started to boil. Mix it. I'll add makhana and cashew. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add sweet peas, matar. Bring the gas to medium. Mix it well again. Once it's nicely combined, on medium gas, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes with the cover lid, we're going to open it. Mix it well. Our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and we add cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to take it out. Look at how delicious, tasty Makhana Matar di Sabji. Let me share with you. It's a perfect vegetarian dish. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.